Mesoma, what are you looking for? Go and sit down. Quickly leave that place. Hello, good morning. If this is your morning, good afternoon. If this is your afternoon, or good night. If this is your night, this is the Igbo Tutor Live. I don't know where you are right now. This is the time we agreed to meet, as usual, to have our live class. So wherever you are, begin to join us now. We're beginning a new series today. I wish that all of us should be here to start this new teaching series with us. So wherever you are hearing me now. It's good you join and let's have this class together. So I'm expecting you right now, wherever you are, begin to join this class now. I don't know where you are, I don't know your location, but you do well to join this class right away. So join up and let's do this together. Join up now. Yes, I'm expecting you to join up now. Wherever you are, see me right now. It's time to join up for the live class. Yes, the Igbo Tutor is live. Expecting you to be here right now. Where are the students? This is the time agreed. This is the hour. So let's join up now so that the class will start in earnest. Yes. Come on board now. I'm expecting you. Where are the students? Come on. Let's have this class right now. Yes, the Igbo Tutor is live. Where are you now? Begin to join up now. Let's have this class. Yes. We are beginning a new series today, and it's important that we all come online right on time so we don't miss out much on what we have for this series. It's important that you join and begin the series with us right from the onset, so we will not have any reason to repeat what we have done already. So wherever you are, begin to join this class now. Expecting you to come on now. Let's begin to join. Join the class now. We're expecting you to join right away. The class will start fully in few minutes from now. So the earlier you join, the better for all of us. Yes. This is the hour. So who is there? Come on, let's start this class right now. We want to try to maintain the 1 hour allocated for this. So the earlier we join, the better for all of us. Right? Expecting you to join up now. Join up, join up. This is the time. Yes, join up now. If you're already in the class, indicate you're present by dropping your greetings so we can welcome you officially to the class. If you're here, please indicate you're here. Drop your greetings so we can welcome you officially and then know you are ready for the class. Yes, if you're here, drop your greetings. Write in day or in the chat. No, Dalo. Just mark your presence. Let us know you are here so that we can begin this new series today together. We don't want anyone to miss out on this. So where are you? Who is in the class? Drop a chat so that we can mark your register and then be able to appreciate your presence in the class today. So who is in the class now? Who do I have in the class? Drop your greetings now. Let's welcome you officially. Who is there? Just say they will know, Dalo. So we know you are here. We welcome you and we'll begin to learn. Okay? The Igbo tutor is live. Wherever you are and you intend to learn Igbo language with us in this free live class, you are welcome. All you need to do, as you're seeing me now, is to join the channel membership. That qualifies you for a free live class every Saturday. So just go to our homepage as you're seeing me now. Beside the channel name, you see the button for join. Hit the join, make the necessary payments, and then you gain access to this free live class every Saturday. So, and get ready, block out the time, 2 p.m. Nigerian time every Saturday is the time we meet. So block it off your calendar and get ready for class every Saturday. As you join, you're bound to gain a lot. We do not only have this free live class every Saturday, we also have free ebook for members of this channel, one ebook every month. So there are a lot of benefits. Direct contact with Igbo tutor for further guidance. So many other things we can do together. So it's important you take advantage of all this by simply joining our channel membership. Do it today, and you'll be glad you did. So let's go, to this class now. Let's begin. Let's begin. If you are yet to join the class, please do so now. Let's begin the class in earnest. Where are you? Waiting for you. The Igbo tutor is live. Come on, let's start this class. Waiting for you to join up. Join up now. Join up now. Yes, we're expecting you to join up now so the class will begin in earnest. The earlier we begin, the better for all of us. So let's begin to join the class now. All our channel members, join the class now. Where are you? Still waiting for you to join up so that we can begin. Yeah, where are you? If you are for this class, please join up now so we can start without further delay. I'm still expecting the students to join up so we can start. Where are you? Yes, let's join up now. I'm still expecting you guys to join up so the class can begin. Where are you? Join up now. Waiting for you to join up so we can begin. Waiting for you to join up so the class can begin. What's happening? No one has joined. What is the issue? If you are in the class, please indicate you are in the class by dropping your greetings so we can welcome you to the class. The class can begin. It's good we join the class early enough so we can cover what we mean to cover for the day. So the earlier we join, the better for all of us. So if you are in the class, indicate you are around. Just drop your greetings so we can welcome you and we begin the class immediately. We will not wait too long from now. So once we have one or two students, we're going to start this class. So if you're in the class, please drop your greetings. If you are trying to join this class and you are not yet a channel member, the first thing to do is to hit the join beside the channel name to join membership. That will give you access to this class. Do that now and let's begin this class. This free live Igbo language class, but it's only accessible to channel members. So if you are in the class, drop your greetings so we can recognize your presence and the class can start without further delay. Who is in the house? Who is in the house? Stand up and go. Please, if you are in the class, indicate you are in the class so we can start. I'm waiting for you guys to come on board, waiting for you to join the class. So if you're already in the class, indicate that you're in the class by dropping a greeting. That way we know you are available and we know you by name. We know our students by name. So if you are in the class, just drop a chat. Let's know you are here. That's the way we mark our register. Say I'm here. Or you just greet us. Send they will know. Dalo, anything. Just drop a chat. Let's know you are present. Waiting for you to do that so we can start the class immediately. Right? Who is there? Who is in the house? The earlier you do that, the better for us. If we have one person present and we confirm that the channel member will begin. Okay, Mazi Clement. No. All right. Dalo. So I have you now in the class. I don't know why the rest are delaying to join the class. Okay, Anamabia. Okay, so you are coming. So it means I have to wait a bit for you. Is that right? Because you're about the only one I'm seeing in class now. I don't know what is happening to the rest, whether they are still joining or they are engaged in other activities. Can we start? Mazi, Clement, Okaibido, because I don't want to wait any further. Yeah, so no. So we begin. Since you are the only one available and you are ready for the class, we begin. Remember, we are starting a new series today, and is on, feeling expressions. Although we have a video on this, but we want to see how much we understand this, and then apply it to our daily life and usage. It's not only enough to watch a video, but we need to be sure we understand this and use it as appropriate. We have 30 expressions for feeling. There could be more, but at least we've been able to identify 30 feeling expressions, and we've been able to, you know, break it down properly. So we are going to go through them, make sentences with them, and see how much we understand them. So um, I will be going straight to it, and we will display the one we have on the screen, and then we try to make another sentence using the same, feeling we have on display. We will try to make another sentence using that, possibly in the chat. Okay, so we're going to begin now. Let's go to what we have, and the first we have is this. We will share it, and then let's see how we understand that and how we can use it for other expressions. So this is what we have. Nchegbu onwe, anxious or anxiety. Okay, okay. And the sentence we have for it is Anam echegbu onwem. Now, we want to try to make another sentence with this. And if you understand that, you need to try and make another sentence with it in the session, in the chat. Can you try? Okay, let's see. I've written Anam echegbu onwem makaya. I'm anxious about it. Can you try to say something else? Or I make another sentence. Let me say, he is very anxious. He is very anxious. Can you try to write this sentence in Igbo in the chat? He is very anxious. He is very anxious. Because we have this video, but we want to see how much we understand it and our ability to use it on our own. He is very anxious. Can you try that in the chat and see whether you can make that sentence on your own? He is very anxious. Okay? He is very anxious. If you are in the class, please indicate you are in the class. Let's see, let's know you are here. Greet us. Let's be sure you are in the class so we can pick you by your name, but at the same time, you can go ahead and answer the question that is asked. So go ahead and do that. He is very anxious. Can you attempt that? Okay. Omachi, welcome to class. There you go. So I've given you one example and I give you a sentence in English. I want you to try making the sentence in Igbo in the chat. He is very anxious. Okay. How do we write that in Igbo? Any trier? Do it in the chat. Do it in the chat. He is very anxious. Yes, let's try that. Clement, any idea? Omachi, can you try? I hope I'm audible enough. Okay. Clement wrote, ọ na-echegbu onwe ya. Ọ na-echegbu onwe nnukwu. Mm, mm. Ọ na-echegbu onwe nnukwu. But even you are echegbu is not proper. Okay. It should be GB. Okay. I don't know. You wrote, is that FBU instead of GB? Look at it properly. Yes, I'm right. You wrote F instead of GBU. So I think you should correct that. Correct that, Mr. Clement. I think that should be a typo. Omachi wrote, Nwanyị bụ nchegbu onwe. Oh, I say he, not why. I didn't mention the woman. I say he is very anxious. He is very anxious. Clement began it very well, except that there's a typo there. Princess say, ọ bụ nchegbu onwe nke ukwu. Ọ bụ nchegbu onwe nke ukwu. That's a good trial. But Clement is the one that began it very well. He is very anxious. You know, this is an adverb that qualifies the person. Clement began very well by writing ona. It should be echebu onwe nuku. But if Clement would have added ya, ona echebu onwe ya nuku, that would have been a perfect sentence by Clement. Ona echegbu onwe ya. Okay. Ọ na-echegbu onwe nnukwu. Okay, he has done a correction, but the only thing you need to add there is ya. Ọ na-echegbu onwe ya nnukwu. He or she is very anxious. Okay, you can say ọ na-echegbu onwe ya nke ukwuu or nnukwu or karịa, that is too much. All are correct in that sense. So that is a very good trial for this. Uh, So it's not ọ bụ echegbu onwe. No, ọ na-echegbu onwe ya nnukwu. I believe this is clear for everybody to hear. Okay, I put down. And let's go to the second one here. What do we have? We are trying to see how much you understand these and how much you can apply them in sentence. The second um, feeling expression we have here is this. Of course, some of us may have watched the video, but we want to see how much you understand the video, how much you can apply it. It's not only about watching the video. This is what we have. Can we all see that? Yes, iwe. Iwe is called anger. Okay. Okay. Let's make a sentence. We have already done this one on the board. Iwe na-ewe or ana m ewe iwe, whichever way you take it. Okay. Anger has overwhelmed me or I am angry. I am angry is okay, I'm angry. Ana m ewe iwe. Iwe na-ewe m. I'm overwhelmed by anger. But let's make another sentence with this. Okay. My husband, if you are a woman, a man, you write my wife. If you're not married, write my dad is angry. My dad, my husband, my mom, my friend, anything you like, is angry. Write that sentence. Let's see how you write it. My husband, my wife, my brother, my sister. Use any name you like. is angry. Let me see how you write that. I hope I'm clear enough. Can you hear me very well? If you can hear me well, let me know if I should increase my volume. I should increase my voice. Let me know. If not, let's go. So let's go. Write the sentence. My husband is angry. My wife is angry. You've seen the example on the board. Okay. My child is angry. Use anything. Use anything. Just make the sentence. Yes, I'm waiting for that. Let's do that. Who is dropping the sentence for us? Who is dropping the sentence? Clement, are you there? Princess, you're welcome to class. Omachi, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Write the sentence now. Clement has written "Nwunye career." Wonderful. Wonderful. Good effort by Clement. Yes, I'm waiting for the rest. And Princess, what do you say? What do you say to this? Yes, shoot your own. Let's see what you have. Omachi wrote, Nnenam iwe. Nnenam iwe. Good effort. Princess, what do you say? What do you say to this? Is Princess there? Is there why you stay there? Let's have your sentence. What do you say? Princess. Hello. Is Princess there? What do you say to this? My dad is angry. My mom is angry. My brother, sister is angry. Anyone. Use anyone. I don't want it. Should have waited for me to finish what I'm doing. All right, I'm waiting. I only have that of Omachi and it's still there. Okay. Nwunye m na-ewe iwe karịa. Okay. I think Clement's writing is very okay. It's better. You can also say, let me also contribute. Iwe na-ewe. Okay. Nwunye m. Okay. Iwe na-ewe nwunye m. If I want to say that. That's another way of writing it. Apart from the way two of you wrote, there's another way of writing it. Iwe na-ewe nwunye m. Iwe na-ewe nwunye m is another way of writing it. Okay. Clement wrote nwunye m na-ewe iwe. Okay. I don't even need to. You don't even need to put carrier, except you want to just put extra. So how much you either write nne m na-ewe iwe, not nne na m iwe. That is not correct. How much? I think the writing should have been nne m na ewe iwe. That is for Omachi. That would have been the correction for you, Omachi. Do you get that? How much is that clear? That is the correction for your own write up. Nem newiwe. Okay. That is very okay. How much is that okay? Did you get that clear? Okay, that's fine. That's the better way of writing it. Okay, let's put it down. Please, if you are joining the class, indicate you are in the class. Drop your greetings and let's welcome you to the class. Let's pick the next one. And then the next one will be, we've done two already. And then we're moving on to the next one. We're bringing the feeling expressions and trying to apply them in our own different scenarios for our own sentences. Okay. What do we have here? Betrayed. Gare poro. This is, you know, the adjective form of it. But if it is a noun form, it will be ngarepo. This is going to be the noun form. Ngarepo. Ngare. I think I missed something there. Ngarepo. Okay. I didn't put R. I didn't put R. Ngarepo. That will be the noun form of it. Ngarepo. But rareporo is just the verb part of it, past tense. Okay, we saw the example on the board, which is ha rareporomo. They betrayed me. Okay, they betrayed me. Ha rareporomo. Now, how do we? Let's try making another sentence with this. Don't betray me. Don't betray me. Although that may look different from this one, but let's maintain this one. Okay, let me say, don't betray me. Don't betray me. Don't betray me. I hope that is not a very strong sentence. I hope it's not too strong for us. Don't betray me. Who will try that for us as a sentence? Don't betray me. Yes, let's try that. Don't betray me. Want to see how we can use this word, these feeling words, to express our own feeling in a different way outside what we have on the screen. We know that hi areporo mo is they betray me. You can also use it, they betrayed us. Hi areporo ani. But I'm trying to see how we can alter it a little bit and use it for our own personal, expression. Don't betray me. That is what I say we should write in the chat. Don't betray me. The spelling will be a little bit different from the one on the screen. Don't betray me. Am I audible enough? Can you hear me? Please indicate. Don't betray me. Let's give it a try in the chat. How do we write that? Don't betray me. Yes. Let's go. Egarepoimo. Good effort by Clement. Egareporoimo. Good effort. Even though not perfect, I don't expect perfection. That's why we are learning. Okay. What did Omachi say? Don't betray me. Don't betray me. Omachi, what do you say to this? I don't know if Princess is still here or not, or if she has left. Don't betray me. What do you say? Any idea how much? No idea. Oh, how much he has confessed there's no idea. Okay, let me explain this. When the normal verb is this what we have on the board, gareporo, which is the past tense of it. Okay. The simple present verb of it is ra re po. That is the simple present verb. Okay. The past tense of it is what we have on the board. Ra re poro. Right? So don't betray. If you followed my verb game or watched the video or you've already attended my private class, you will know that do not do this or do not do that will always end with the letter LA. La, 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 la. And you will start with either A or E, as the case may be. Clement started with E, but it's wrong. What determines what we start with is the first vowel in that word. Is it a light vowel or a heavy vowel? If it's a light vowel, you start with A. Light vowel is A, E, O. Those ones that have dot under. Okay. Those ones that have dot under, including A. Heavy vowel are those ones that don't have dot under. E, O, U, including A, which is E. Okay. Okay. I think Clement is getting it now. A, yare, polam. Perfect. Clement, you have already remembered what we have taught you long ago. You are fast to remember that now that I explained. So Clement has written the right thing it should be. Ayarepola. Mu. That M can be MU, it can be single M, just the way you wrote it. So Omachi, what Clement wrote now is correct. Ayarepolam, don't betray me. That is perfect. That is a command or instruction. Okay, that is how it is written. Ayarepolam. Omachi, confirm if that is clear enough. Is that clear? Indicate if you are clear about that. If it is A or I without dot under, that is after GH, we'll use E to start it. But once it is light vowels, we use A in front and we'll put LA at the back for command. Emela, Agala, Ahapola. Is that clear, Omachi? Please indicate if that is clear. Say yes if that is clear enough. Even the R can be written together with Yarepola. It's possible. It's allowed. Is that clear, Omachi? Is that clear? Okay. So we drop this now and pick the next one, which is number 4 for today. And this get so we go to the next one, and this is what we have. This is the expression we have. Yes. Afo ojuju. Afo ojuju. That is how we pronounce contented or contentment. Afo ojuju. Okay, that's contentment. This is actually the noun form of it. Okay, afo ojuju, contentment. If it is the verb, we say, okay, afo juru. Afo juru. Okay. Okay, if you want to say I'm contented, okay, you say afo juru. Mu. Okay, M or MU. Afo juru. This is I am contented. So the form in the board on the board, afo juru, is a noun form of it, which is contentment actually. That you can see from the board. I said, "Enwere m afọ ojuju." I am contented or I have contentment. So it's either the past tense of it or the noun form of it. But if you want to just say it in the present tense, we say afọ jurum, just the way I wrote it on the board. Okay. Now I want to make a simple sentence here. Okay. Contentment is good. Contentment is good. How do we write that? Contentment is good. Go ahead and write that. Contentment is good. Yes, let's go. Contentment is good. Contentment is good. Not just our for only. I've said the noun form, I've said the verb form, and I say contentment is good. Of course, you should know that contentment is a noun form. So let's go. Afu Juju Dima, excellent. Excellent. Omachi, that is excellent. Okay, it's not Omachi. Oh, it's Clement. I thought Omachi wrote first. Did she run away with that? Afo Juju Dima. All right, that's correct. Omachi. Afo Juju Dima. Excellent. Excellent. That's what we're trying to practice here. It's not about, because I know most of us have watched this video, but I want to explain the better another other ways to apply it to real life and real situations, to move you a little bit away from what is in the video. Otherwise, there will be no need for these classes. Okay, I want to give you a deeper understanding and application. That's why we are here. So, Afo Juju, the ma. Okay, what if, okay, princess, is it one, or is it Oma or Mma? No, it's Mma, because Clement wrote Afo Juju the Oma. It's not Oma, it's Mma. It's Mma. So that is the right thing. Afo Juju the Mma is the right expression, not Oma. Please, Mr. Emehe, you need to correct that. It's Afo Juju the Mma, not Oma. All right. Okay. Oh, okay. What if I say I am contented? Okay, I've written that before. I am contented. Which other way can we write I am contented apart from what I wrote on the screen, where I wrote "Enwere m afọ ojuju"? How else can we write it? I am contented based on. Oh, I've written it here already. I've written it already on top. I think there's no need again. There's no need. I've written it up here. Afọ jurum. That is, I'm contented up here. So there's no point doing that again. Let's pick another one. Pick another one. No need repeating that. This is what we have. Now, let's pick a new one and then see how to apply that. Here we go. Obi Kara. Okay. What we have on the screen is Okara Mobi. These two words are supposed to go together, but in real life application, they are most times separated, as we have in the sentence on the board. Okara Mobi. Mobi is the heart. Okay. Kara. It's a short form of saying Karaka. Sirike. Another way of saying Sirike is strong. Karaka is strong. There are two ways of saying the same thing. Okaraka or Sirike. So if you say Okaraobi, is the heart is strong. Okay? And then the meaning generally is confident. No fear. Okay? That's what we have. So let's try to make different sentence with this. Okay? Are you confident? Are you confident? Are you confident? Let's try that. I hope I'm clear enough. Are you confident? How do we write that in Igbo? Are you confident? Are you confident? Is a question. Oh, write it as a question. Are you confident? Try that. Is that clear enough? Is that clear enough? Omachi wrote, Ndi osirike, idi osirike. Okay, good effort. Ndi osirike. Okay, okay, that's a good effort. Are you confident? I'm referring to one person. It's like I'm asking somebody a question. And I say, are you confident? Okay, so that you there is not many people, it's one person actually. Okay, but the second person pronoun, are you confident? So let's go. What do you say? Omachi has given her own opinion. What are the rest saying? Are you confident? Yes, is the question. Omachi wrote, Ndi osirike, idi osirike. Hmm. Good effort. Good effort. What are the rest saying? What do you say? Princess, Semehe, what do you say? Are you confident? No idea. If you have no idea, just say no idea. So we can supply the answer and move on. We are here to learn. It's not compulsory, we must know it. Okay. Clement wrote Isiriike. Isiriike. Remember, we have identified that this is is connected to your heart, the state of your heart. So whatever you're writing, remember heart is involved, mind is involved. So it's not just physical strength. The one Clement wrote sound like physical strength. Are you strong? Isiriike. But we're talking about the state of the heart. So, and heart is missing entirely from that sentence. Maybe we should give it a second trial. Is anyone, what do you say? Are you there? Are you there? Or your network is fluctuating? I hope there's good service in your place now. What do you say? Am I am okay? That's fine. That's fine. At least that helps us to go on. Okay. I was talking to Mr. Clement that we are talking about the state of the heart here. So it's not just isirike as if you strong as a person. No, it is the state of the heart. Okay. We say, how do we write it? We say obi or karagi. Remember, we are using karaobi as strong heart. So obi or karagi, that is the question. Obi or karagi is the state of the heart we're talking about, the heart, and I said kara means karaka or siriike, strong, but the heart is the situation we're referring to. Obi or karagi, are you confident? Obi or karagi? Isiri obi ike. Okay, that's good, but this is the right way it should be written. Obi or karagi? Obi or karagi? Is that clear? Is that clear? Obi or karagi? Is it clear to everybody? Please indicate. Say yes if this is clear. Obi or karagi? Indicate yes if that is the case. A or the ma. Okay. All right. Obi or karagi. Excellent. Let's go to the next one. What do we have here? What we have here is this. what we have is this. Okay. And then this is baragari, baragari, confused or state of confusion. Okay. Baragari. The sentence we have on the board is obaramugari. Another way of saying it is bagwojuru anya, bagwojuru anya. Okay, obaramugari, and then we say I am confused. Is one we have on the board. What if we say he is confused? How do we say it? He or she. In Igbo, he or she is up. Both are up. So if we say he is confused, how do we say it? Let's go. Write it in the chat now. We have example in the board, which is I am confused. Obaramuyari or Ogbagojurumanya. We're now saying he or she is confused. How do we write it? How do we write that? Let's go. Shoot it now. He or she is confused. How do we write it? Let's go. Shoot it now. I do hope I'm clear enough. Yes, let's go. Let's go. He is confused. Write it now. He is confused. Who's giving it a trial? I think it's simple. If you look at what we have on the board, this should be simple. Just a matter of replacing he is confused. Okay, Clemens Siana Mabia. Okay, for now, or you are attending to something else. Okay. Okay, Princess wrote Obu Barayari. He is confused. Or the way you are writing it is as if the person himself is confusion. But that is not the way it is. If you look at the board, you will see that I am confused is Obaram Yare, okay, or Obagbojurumanya. So if I say he is confused, all you need to do is, of course, you know that he or she is also O, which we began with by saying Obo, but you don't need to say Obo. You say Obara. Where we have it on the board, simply replace where I put me with him or her. Okay? That's very simple. Omachi tried, but he still didn't put the right things where they're supposed to be. Look at the board. Replace where I put M with him or her. What is him or her in Igbo? He here remains O at the beginning. It doesn't change. The only thing you need to change is the second pronoun here. We put me. I am confused. Obaramuare. That's the only thing you are changing. Nothing more. Okay? Just put it this way. So how much you started well, but you didn't end it well. Obara. The one on the board say Obaram. I put M here as first person pronoun. But instead of using M, since I say he, I'm talking to somebody, a second person pronoun. Him or her as a second person pronoun is what in Igbo? Yeah. That's all. So every other thing remains the same. Every other thing remains the same. Is that not simple enough? Every other thing remains the same. Yes, princess, you get it now. Every other thing remains the same. You only change the pronouns where they are. That's all. That's all. Obarayayari. Very, very simple. You just applying common sense and changing the pronoun. Obarayayari. Excellent. What if I say they are confused? What will it be? Now that we have a idea, they are confused. How what will it be? They. I've done me. I've done him or her. Talking about they now. The only thing you are changing is the pronoun. That's all. So what is they are confused? They are confused in the chart. Just change the pronoun. Oh, Baraha, Yari. I think Princess is catching up now. You're catching up very well now. Omachi, are you getting that? I'm confirm. Are you getting what we're doing now? Did you get it? Hello, Omachi. You get it very well now. Is it clear? Omachi, confirm that, please. Confirm you are clear with what we're doing now and what I explained. Okay. And Clement, is it clear to you also? Oh, Omachi said no, sir. Oh my God. All right. What does the or in the beginning indicate if we don't change it? Okay. Okay. The or there at the beginning is referring to something that they are confused about. Something confused them. They are confused, and something made confused. That thing is what we are talking referring to as or barahayari. It confuses them. They are confused about something, or something confused them. Okay, they are confused about something. So that thing is the or. So it doesn't change. Do you understand that? So that's why we didn't change it. Or barahayari. That they are confused about something. That thing is confusing them, or they are confused about it. Princess, do you think I answered your question? Omachi, if you look at what is on display, you'll see that I wrote, I am confused, means Obaramugare. Okay, I'm confused. And then we say, if we say they are confused, we only change the M, which is the personal pronoun there. We put her there or ya there to indicate the second person pronoun. He is confused, which is ya, obara ya, yare. I now say if it is they are confused, we also change it to ha, which is they, obara ha, yare. That is what I explained, Omachi. Do you get that right now? Omachi, please indicate that you get that clearly. We'll go to the next one. Omachi, I'm waiting for your response. Indicate you got what I did or what we did together. Okay. What about she? Okay, Omachi, she in Igbo, whether he or she, the pronoun for Igbo for he or she is the same. It doesn't change. Or O, as the case may be, is for both sex, both he or she. Both are or O. The ya also, which is him or her, which is second person pronoun, in Igbo is also ya. Ya stands for both him, her, and it. All are ya in Igbo. The same for O, represent the three. He, she, it. Or both are the same. All right. I think I need to do sentence formation next so that we can understand this. All right. Do you understand that, Omachi? Is it clear? Omachi, please respond if you are clear with what I explained. All right. We are going to cheer for Obiuto. This can also be called Obiekele, a thankful heart. Okay. Okay. Ha gbara agharị maka ya. Okay. They're confused about it. Ọ gbara ha agharị. Anyway, I'm trying to get what you wrote, Clement. Okay. They are maybe you want to write they are confused about it. Okay. Is that what you mean? They are confused about it. Okay. Is that what you mean, Clement? So that I can rephrase it. Now, cheerful heart, obi ụtọ or obi ekele. Enwere m obi ụtọ. That was on display. I am cheerful. I am cheerful. What if we say we are cheerful or we are thankful? We are cheerful. We are cheerful. How do we write that? How do we write that? We are cheerful. Let's go. Let's go there. Go do it now. We are cheerful. Yes, waiting for you. We are cheerful. How do we write that? We are cheerful. I believe you are writing now. Drop your writing. We are cheerful. Enwere anyị obi ụtọ. Okay, good try. Wait for others to contribute. We are cheerful. We. But I expected this then want to get this better. When you start a sentence with we, that we should be the thing you should use to start the sentence in Igbo. You don't need to use another thing. We, I think it's clear to start that sentence with we, the Igbo version of we, which you know already, which you already have in the sentence, but you put it in the wrong place. Okay, okay. We are cheerful. You are trying. And you'll be uto. Mhm. But that where you put at the beginning there, you should have just put it here now, and that would have made the sentence perfect. Just think of how to put where there. Okay, Clement say, "Anyị bụ obi ụtọ." I don't. You try, but not very perfect. That where that princess thing where you put on top there, you used to begin sentence before. Can you bring it and think of where it should be? That we have sweetheart. We have okay, excellent, excellent. You are getting the gist. Princess, you are there. Anyị nwere obi ụtọ. That is what it is. Anyị nwere obi ụtọ. Not anyị bụ obi ụtọ, as Clement wrote. You know, it is what we possess. It is what we have within us. Okay, not anyị bụ, not we are. In that sense, okay, you are not the cheerful, but you have it. So, in your heart, okay, is a quality you possess in the heart. That's why the right expression is nwere, anyị nwere, we have. It is in us, okay? Not anyị bụ, not that we are in that sense, but we possess it. So, Princess Ezenwa's sentence, the last one is perfect. Anyị nwere obi ụtọ. Anyị nwere obi ụtọ. Is that clear to everybody? Anyị nwere obi ụtọ. That is the excellent sentence to use. We are cheerful. Anyị nwere obi ụtọ. Okay? Do you think you are learning something in this class? Please, if you are learning in this class, can you indicate? And then can you hit the like button beside the channel name for this live class so that we can appreciate, we can know you are learning from this class. You are not wasting your time here. Please help us hit the like button and then put a comment in the chat that I am learning. Let me hear you say that I am learning. Okay? I want to be sure you are learning in this class. Say I am learning. Put it in the comment, put it in the chat, hit the like button. Okay? Let's be sure you are learning something here. Okay. Yes, I'm learning. Thank you, Princess. Okay. Thank you. Only Princess has written, I am learning. How about the rest? If you are learning, please indicate. Let me know I'm not wasting my time here. Okay. Right. Hello. Hello. Can you hear me? Omachi says she's not hearing me. Is anybody hearing me? Please confirm. Can you hear me? I changed my network source. I guess the network is having issues. So I changed my network source. Maybe that is the reason. Can you hear me now?